Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Storage section, then go to the SD card, select with anything you want, then tap here, go to the Storage settings and select Format. Then tap Format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be completely formatted and ready to be used in you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.